5-minute mindfulness meditation. To begin this mindfulness meditation, just let yourself get into a comfortable position, whatever that looks like for you. There's no right or wrong way to be here, just you and this moment. When your body feels ready, you may gently close your eyes, or if you prefer, simply soften your gaze to a point on the floor in front of you. With your eyes closed, take a moment to tune inwards. We often spend our days racing from one task to the next, but for these next few minutes, there is nowhere else you need to be. There is nothing else you need to do. Bring your attention to the physical sensation of your body sitting here. Notice the weight of gravity settling you down into the earth. Feel the points of contact where your body meets the chair, the cushion, or the floor. What do you notice? Perhaps you feel warmth in your palms or a heaviness in your shoulders. Whatever sensations arise, simply notice them. You don't need to change them or fix them. You're just observing, harboring no judgment. Scan down from the top of your head, through your jaw, letting it unclench, down through your neck and into your chest. If you find tension, that is okay. Just acknowledge it with a sense of compassion in your heart. What is it like for you to be in your body right now? Continue to do this now with your breath as well as your body. You don't need to force the breath or change its rhythm. Your body knows exactly how to breathe. Just observe the air as it enters your nostrils, cool and crisp. Follow it as it travels down, filling your lungs, and notice the sensation as it leaves your body, perhaps a little warmer now. If your mind wanders, and it likely will, because that is what minds do, that's okay. Don't judge it. Just return your focus to what is. Return to the anchor of your breath, in and out, noticing the rise and fall of your chest, just being mindful. Keeping your eyes closed, you allow your awareness to expand, to include the space around your body. Listen to the sounds in the room, maybe the hum of a computer, traffic in the distance, or the sound of silence itself. Instead of labeling these sounds as good or bad or distractions, simply accept and allow whatever it is you notice. Let the sounds wash over you. They are just part of the present moment. What else do you notice? As you sit here, holding this space for yourself, realize that you are safe. You are grounded. You let everything simply be, including yourself. Take these final moments to rest in this awareness. There is a stillness within you that is always accessible, right beneath the surface of the busy day. Feel the wholeness of your experience, the breath, the body, the space around you, all existing together. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling up completely, and a long, slow exhale out through the mouth, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. You now begin to let your attention travel back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you are ready, you can open your eyes. Wonderful job doing this practice. We hope you enjoy the rest of your beautiful day.